Welcome back to the Ruck Shop's YouTube channel. Today's video we are going over the wraps that we have for the Honda Motocompacto. We have many different variants of these that you can look on our website. I'll put the product description below. We're going to go over briefly on how to wrap your Motocompacto. So the first thing you're going to do is just wipe off your surface nice and clean. Make sure that you have no dirt, debris. You will peel off the template for the wheel like so. And then you're gonna line it up. We have pre-matched holes, so you can just line up from the middle, work your way out. We do provide a squeegee, which you can see he's using in the video now. You go through and squeegee it out. Any bubbles that you do find on there will come out in the outside. Any large ones you can go ahead and try to push out with the squeegee, but any small ones that you'll see, which traditionally there shouldn't be too many, will breathe through the film when the bike is outside. For the rear wheel here, we also have a template that you can use. You're going to line up over the holes and then work your way out. This is a 4mm film that has been laminated with a UV protectant, so it will last very long, keep great color through the sun. It's not that both the wheels are done. The next step for the bigger portion here, the body, is just going to be peeling away the two parts. You can use a spray bottle with some water. I'm just going to spray the inside of the graphics. This will help you move it around and position it on the panel itself. It's not the two pieces apart. You can lay it out and see where the Honda cut is and just line it up. This is a 4mm vinyl, so it's very forgiving. Especially when you wet it like this, you can position it around on the body of the Motocompacto. Right now he's just lining up the corners, making sure everything's nice and even. And after he does that, he'll go ahead and squeegee out any of the bigger bubbles. Now by doing it like this, he's getting any air out or water from spraying it before it sits. It'll make it a little bit easier and it'll settle quicker. If you do find that you have any small bubbles at all, again, they will go ahead and come through on the film when you take it outside in the sunlight, as it is a breathable film. These are available on our website. Again, the link will be below. There are various different designs. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.